Before you add to rush the DEWALT to your toolkit, there are a few surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT 964 is a powerhouse in the realm of cordless impact wrenches, designed to tackle the most demanding tasks with ease. Its robust build and ergonomic design ensure that it not only looks professional, but also feels comfortable during prolonged use. The tool's glass-filled nylon housing is not just about aesthetics, it offers resistance against oils and solvents, enhancing its durability on tough job sites. One of the standout features of this impact wrench is its impressive torque delivery. With a maximum fastening torque of 1,420 foot-pounds and a breakaway torque of 1,900 foot-pounds, it's engineered to handle heavy-duty applications effortlessly. Whether you're working on large pipe flanges, grooved couplings, or wheel lugs, this tool provides the power you need to get the job done efficiently. The inclusion of a brushless motor is a significant advantage, offering longer runtime and extended tool life compared to brushed motors. This means less maintenance and more time focusing on your projects. Additionally, the 3-speed settings combined with the precision wrench mode allow for greater control, helping to prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff. This feature is particularly beneficial when working with delicate materials or in situations where precision is crucial. An integrated LED light illuminates your workspace, ensuring visibility even in dimly lit environments. This thoughtful addition enhances safety and accuracy, allowing you to work confidently regardless of the lighting conditions. When it comes to value for money, the DEWALT positions itself as a premium tool. While it may come at a higher price point compared to some competitors, the combination of its high torque, durable construction, and advanced features justifies the investment for professionals seeking reliability and performance. For the latest offers and pricing, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: weight, 8.14 pounds, may be heavy for prolonged use. Price: higher cost than some alternatives. Battery and charger sold separately, increasing cost. Pros: high torque, excellent fastening and breakaway torque. Durable build, oil-resistant housing for longer life. Precision control, multiple speed settings and precision wrench mode. Brushless motor, longer runtime and tool life. LED illumination, light for better visibility in low light settings. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful impact wrench, the DEWALT DCF964B is worth considering. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.